Hi guys, how are you? So we're cooking, check this out. Beautiful fish. See? We've been cooking it for about 40 minutes now, but very low temperature. 40 minutes, but very low temperature. Some people, could cook much faster. But no, we care about quality, not fast. We care about good fish. Delicious fish. Oh, it's very hot. It's very hot. So now we have to flip it. See, we're gonna flip this tail. Oh, it looks beautiful, right?
Right.
Exactly. Exactly. See, now I have to flip this big one. So I'm gonna flip. Oh, see? And put the insides because we had stuffed. It was stuffed. And it still is. See? Looks very nice. Very nice. Baby, show it's stuffed. You see? Show. See, stuffed fish. See, we have lemon here. Lemon. And we're gonna put more spice. Put more spice. So first, see, I have lemon juice. We're gonna put on the fish. This lemon juice, see? Very nice on the tail. Very cool. Then we have spices. This is complete seasoning. Complete seasoning. It's gonna go on the fish. Oh yeah. Very nice. And we have Old Bay seasoning. Old Bay. See, beautiful fish. Big kingfish. This is kingfish. Oh yeah. Kingfish lemon. We're gonna put on. Oh yeah, like that. Then we got a little bit soy sauce. Soy sauce. This is we got from people that make sushi. They're smart, this soy sauce very good. Not too much, not too much. Very cool. Very cool. Now I'm gonna put oil. Oil. Kinda everywhere. So it doesn't burn our fish. But it's not gonna burn our fish. You know why? Because we cook on a low temperature. We cook good. We cook good and nice. So now we're in the game like ESPN. Very cool, very cool. You can, and orange juice. I forgot orange juice. See, it's gonna go on this fish. Oh, it's gonna make it delicious. This is lemon, and orange juice. They kill the fish smell, and then you get just beautiful, delicious fish. And now my baby, she's gonna put veggie cube. Veggie cube, see? We'll show you, veggie cube. She's gonna put on this fish. She's gonna put on it. She's getting it ready. And this, you can even put around it, on it some. This is for flavor, flavor. Because when it cooks in this veggie cube flavor, it's delicious. It's delicious. It's just everything, like the vapors are gonna be delicious. We're showing you, how to make fish professionally. Professionally, see? This is beautiful fish. Beautiful. Excellent, thank you. Thank you. See? Temperature very low temperature. And we're cooking, look at this fish. See, chief, and we stuffed its mouth with peppers and lemons. And we're cooking. Baby, you can put the cover on. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Fish is cooking. This is George Foreman. Thank you for watching. Baby, say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. And we cook a lot of fish. See? Please check it out. Please check out our channel. We have different videos for every part of life. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you and take care, and we wish you the best. We appreciate you watching this video. God bless. Bye-bye.